Yo, what's going on? What it do, baby boo? It's your boy, and today I'll be going out. I'll be having a couple of things to do. Hanging out with my sisters. They're about to come out and pull up. And today's a good day because I finally got my driver's license. And see how today goes. I'll see y'all. Hey, yo, roll the clip. Didn't even know I'm here.
Hello, are we gonna be in a vlog?
No.
Why you always lying?
I have a surprise for you, Nikki. What does it say?
What? When did you get
This
it?
morning, literally this morning.
Bro, finally! After like how many years? Bro!
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
Oh, at least you got the one that's horizontal. I still
Yeah.
gotta go back and get mine.
I mean, you can renew yours.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright, so where are we heading?
It's a secret.
It's a secret.
But you'll know when we arrive.
You kind of did tell me what we're doing.
No, we know. Okay, we know that we're going to Clay Cafe,
Right.
right?
Right.
But we're not going there yet.
If you take a turn on King Street, I know exactly where we're going.
I'll just
Where are we going? Focus. Focus, focus.
Ocho. Ocho.
Come on, use your Spanish.
Ocho. Siete.
It's your girl Danny here with my brother Gino and Mickey. And today we are going to...
We're going to Carp Dutty. But look how high my shorts are. I feel like I'm showing way too much. Let's go in. Three? This table's fine?
Yeah, it was fine.
Thank you. Right, you get close to 30 for one.
Yes. We closed 12, but last come in
Last call 11:30.
11:30, but last you can come as by 11.
Alright, so what makes this place good is the noodles itself. But open this book, right? Screw that. And there's these sides that just take up all of these good sides that you could just get. And these are your ramen choices and everything. And that's what makes this place a really good area, because of the sides. The ramen is great, amazing.
And they have chicken. Oh my gosh.
Do it again, do it again. Alright, we got our food. How's it looking? How's it looking?
It is looking grand and it smells delicious.
Yeah, look at it, take a picture. Oh, let's dig in.
You're taking it.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry.
It's smooth, yeah.
That's smooth.
Like the broth has no offense. What you think?
Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Try it. What is that?
Chicken.
The chicken beef bowl. Minced chicken. Try it. Try it.
It's a vibe.
Can you do the, you know that sound effect that's like slime? Yeah, can you this one? Can you do the sound effect?
Sure, I can. Right, so we just left. We just left the ramen spot. We just took like, what, 15 steps to the next spot. It's Clay Cafe. How does it work? We get to paint our own stuff ready.
Like times. Oh yeah, we were hoping to get
How many people?
There's 3 of us.
Okay.
Okay.
Give you guys the table.
Okay.
Just letting you know, it takes about 4 to 5 weeks for us to get it back to you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Thank
I'm
you.
gonna just wait outside.
Okay.
Okay,
Sorry.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
We got a table. I saw Danielle and goes, oh, bro, I better not mess with her. Fit check.
Oh look, they have.
I'm parched. Quite parched. I can't stop looking at
I
myself.
like your drinks.
She can drinks.
Ew, drinks.
Did I ever tell you?
Hey guys,
Drinks.
this is Nikki Cam.
Yeah.
We have
Her
some.
name is Nicole.
Her name was Nicole. You gotta cut that out. Cut that out.
Cut that out.
Look at this really pretty sunflower. Daniela?
My little piggy. And they're paying for theirs. But look at her shirt. She said she bought that Fear of God shirt for like $1, thrifted it. Super unfair.
A picture? Are you recording? I'm going on Pinterest to try to see what I want. Like I need like inspiration, you know?
Oh, I'm just gonna color this bad boy. Make it look like not a pig.
Look at those, are so cute. Let's see, I have minimal artistic ability.
I wanna give this a tattoo.
Are you Wendy? Wait, like Wendy Ragma? Yeah. Oh, that's my auntie.
Oh, did you want me? I was gonna ask, but then I was like, maybe not.
What'd you get? What'd you buy? A little cloud.
Little cloud.
And she has a bowl. And I'm the unorthodox one. I got a pig.
Each coat, so try to do 3 coats of each color to make sure it's nice and solid. Always work lighter colors first, and then your darker colors are after.
I made a pig. I made a pig. Is what I made. I made a pig, a money sign. What are you making?
I'm in the process of making a pink cow. Just trust the process.
Trust the process. And then Daniela?
I'm in the process of making a turtle.
Turtle. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put like 4 quarters in her and call it a day. Can I see your cow? Show me your cow. Your cow. You're covering with your finger. Your cow. Yay. Daniela's working on her turtle. I wanna see, Oh, she made bubbles. Look at the eye. Dude, he has a twinkle in his eye. Good job, I'm proud of you. I already turned in my little pig, but they took it away. It was on the top of that, and it's not there anymore.
That scared me.
We're back in the car, and where are we going now?
We are going
to Ala Moana next.
For what?
We're gonna take pictures and just hang out. Oh, and go to Jeju Beach.
Yeah.
We're gonna get some Korean shave ice.
Yeah. How long did we spend there?
Probably like 3 hours.
3 hours.
Oh, I mean, 30-minute drive.
Oh.
20 minutes later.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, this thing is Boston. I got a Jeju bean.
We got Jeju Beach.
And there's a 10-minute wait list. Yeah. And Nikki didn't want to get me a little cart. I want to get into that.
Sorry.
I fit. Can I ride on this? I'll try it. Oh, I'm gonna boss this thing, bro. My hand. What do I do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Huh? What am I gonna do? Anyways, we're here at Jeju Bing and we just
Is
got.
our lens dirty? I love this.
Wait, was it this picture?
No.
There's another one. But there's still some more. Any long. And I'll
That looks bomb. Look like diabetes. Yeah. Oh. How is it? Smacking. Bussin'. Hey, Jeju Bing was great.
Don't lie.
It was good. But now we're just walking around looking for a place to take pictures. How do you say that?
What? Hermes?
Hermes. What? How do you say this? Yeah. Oh, new Patek on my wrist. Yeah. Patek.
What are you looking at?
Patek Philippe. New Patek on my wrist. Yeah. You know, like
I don't know.
oh my gosh.
Hi guys, we're gonna go look at Zara now because I don't get the hype in medium blue.
Cold in here. Oh, there's a full body mirror. I can finally see myself.